How does polymorphism work in Python? I'm new to Python and coming from a mostly Java background, if that accounts for anything. I'm trying to understand polymorphism in Python. Maybe the problem is that I'm expecting the concepts I already know to project into Python. But I put together the following test code. From the polymorphism I'm used to, e.g. Java's instance if, I would expect both of these statements to print true, whereas an instance of dog is an animal and also is a dog. But my output is. What am I missing?
This operator in Python checks that the two arguments refer to the same object in memory. It is not like this operator in C#. From the docs. The operators is and is not test for object identity x is y is true if and only if x and y are the same object. X is not y yields the inverse truth value. What you're looking for in this case is isInstance. Return true if the object argument is an instance of the class info argument, or of a, direct or indirect, subclass thereof. However, idiomatic Python dictates that you, almost, never do type checking, but instead rely on duck typing for polymorphic behavior. There's nothing wrong with using isInstance to understand inheritance, but it should generally be avoided in production code.
Try isInstance, my dog, dog, resp isInstance, my dog, animal.
Fimumu and Mark have answered your question. But this is also an example of polymorphism in Python, but it's not as explicit as your inheritance-based example.
Just nice example how it is possible to use same field of two totally different classes. It is more close to template.
Trust